Hey everyone, so today I want to talk about your competition. Sales coming in doesn't always mean that it's something that you should actually look into doing yourself because you don't know about those sales. Were those sales happening just last month? Were those sales happening all the time? Is it a roller coaster effect? Is it continuous growth? What is it? So you have to actually understand about your competition and go into detail, spy on them a little bit. So with this, I'm going to show you how to do it with Everbee, and that's a tool that I use a lot of when we're doing, my trainings, my lives, everything like that, and even my YouTube videos. So to just jump in here really quick, I'm looking at custom coffee mugs, right? And as I scroll down, you can see this little stat right here: monthly sales, views, conversion rate, listing age, so on and so forth. And you'll see these numbers, okay? Like 463 sold in the past month, 66, 5, 42, 1,145. This one actually is massive right now. It's crazy on how many they're selling. Anyway, I just pulled up a couple here. So for example, this one, okay? This one has 1,010 sales in the past month and 2,690 total. Now, if you look at this, it has a listing age of 83 months. So when you look at this total sales in general, that's what most people would be looking at. They'd be like, wow, it's a lot. Well, 83 months, not so much. Then if I go to analyze listing, this is what's so great about Everbee is once I click here, I can see the 1,010 sales, right? In just December, because obviously Christmas. And if I go back last 6 months, look right here, nothing. It took off right here in October, November, and December. 1,547 of them. More than half of them sold just in the past 3 months, because even though I'm going 6 months, you're pretty much almost 3 months. This is why you need to really understand and pay attention to your competitors, because a lot of people may throw this up there thinking, hey, I'm gonna make money with this. But if it's only making money during Christmas, then it's not gonna make you money long-term, right? Spend it on there for 83 months. To show you another one here, we have this. This is more of a teacher style mug, okay? And it looks like they're doing a 15 ounce just because of the curved. Either way, they have 150 sales, 8 months, okay? Analyzing this right here, 104 of those sales came last month. Going down, say 6 months, you could see right here, in August, they sold 6. 6. Yes, 6. Okay? Then they sold none. Then none. Then 6. And now, boom, 104 in December. This is why it's so important. Again, I'm going to repeat that to understand that just because you see these numbers, the views, the sales, the conversion rate, and all that in a short amount of time, doesn't mean that they're consecutively getting them. And one more right here, 15 months, 1,293. If I analyze this one, go into say 6 months right here, as you can see this dip right here, okay? In September, only 29 were sold. And then 340 in December. November, 176. So going off of this, even if I went to say 12 months, right here, the spike in June was 209. That's for like Father's Day. And also May, could have been Mother's Day or Father's Day. The spike was here, and then again in November and December. This isn't something that sells all year round. And that's something that you need to understand, because this is what I was talking about earlier with the roller coaster effect. When you use tools like this allows you to understand what's selling now, what is possibly selling in the future, and the best times to actually launch products. And just because you see sales spiking during a certain month, which December, everything really spikes, right? I mean, it's Christmas. But that doesn't mean that it's going to be sold all year round. And a lot of people get discouraged because, say, September hits and you're not getting any sales. You kind of get upset and sad, saying, well, where did all the sales go? But looking at this data, they just don't sell that much during that time. And this is why having something like this is important, especially if you're just getting started. So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below if you wanna sign up. I do have a buy one, get one, which means if you pay for 1 month, you get 1 month free. And this is very beneficial, like I said, if you are starting out or if you're just not getting sales or even switching your niche. So let's work together so that I can make sure that you have a successful year and you start achieving your dreams in 2026. It's never too late to grow. And even if you were going in the wrong direction, I promise we will get you in the right one. If you have any questions, drop them below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.